Welcome, this is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're working with this pattern. This is pattern 22516 on friendshipbracelets.net. So let me grab this up and paste it over here. Let's move it off to the side a bit and put it onto a new layer so we can move it around. I'm going to try to start up closer to the top this time. So let me just move this up a bit more. Somewhere in here, right? Grab my paint tool, go to the proper layer. Okay, so now I got to figure out like where the strings for this actually come from. No, that's probably not right. So it's supposed to look like little paws, I guess. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, how this goes through is super weird. So now, how much space is there? There's 1, 2, 3. Let's grab this color. Let's put 1, 2, 3 this way. And then these come back in. Man, this is a really tricky pattern. I am not going to enjoy making it. I can guarantee you that already. I already foresee not enjoying myself. So now it's repeating there. This one came in over here. And this one can stay off to the side. All right. So this one went over and in. Goes to the top of this. One goes off to the side. And the other one goes here. Wow. Okay. So I wanted to duplicate this, or not duplicate. I wanted to double it. And, yeah. So let's see if this is the white. All the rest of these can be white. Ooh, we gotta. Hang on. Oh wait, I know what we'll do. We'll make this a white as well, and we'll make this turn and come out that way. There we go. Because it hit the center, that has to be, it would have to be a dark one, but fixed it. So now everything else is the lighter color. So we can make the paw print with only 3 strings and make it repeat. But the real thing I wanted to do with this, when I saw this and I knew I was doing a whole thing on doubling it, was I wanted to make it look like paw prints, right? Like actually, you know, something had walked through here. So now what I want to do is I'm going to take this tool. What is it called? The move tool. So the move tool is going to let me, I'm going to put a guideline here on where those paws are, and I'm going to put a guideline here on these paws. So between this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not exactly even. Let's see if we kind of from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yes. So here, this would be halfway between those. So now let's grab the pink one. There's those two. Those two. And there's the paw. And then we can grab this color here, go 1, 2, 3, right, like we did before. And then this. Is where the next one goes. 1, 2, 3. This would have been the bottom of the paw here. So like that. So there's just going to be a little bit of the paw up at the top up here. So basically at this point I have to just follow what I already created on the reverse side. So this is the dark, goes here. It's a little confusing. That's okay. You've got one that goes here. One that goes there. Oh wait, not out the top, it has to come here. And then this one kind of doesn't matter as long as we get it to connect. So this one comes in. So I'm basically trying to mirror it off of the other one here. Oh. that does not work out because you don't want it into the middle space, so that it has to go like that. Okay, so as you can see now, it's just going to be repetitive all the way down. And I can use the select by color tool, grab all this, grab my paint bucket, grab our yellow, because that's the color we have the least of, right? And we haven't put in the background stuff. And go to here and fill whole selection. Whoops. I didn't grab the right color. Grab the yellow. There we go. And you can see what I'm trying to achieve. It's going to offset the paw prints. Because normally, right, we usually use the guideline in the middle and just copy and move it over. And if we did that, it would look like whatever the animal, it looks like a cat or a dog print, right? It would look like it just hopped. But this way, it's gonna look like it's walking. And yeah, all I gotta do is fill in the rest of these underlying strings, and it's just going to repeat. So I kind of feel like, yeah, I mean, I could sit here and show you guys how I do it, or I could just get it done. And yeah, oh, wait, before we go, let's thank our Patreon supporters, my YouTube members, for making this possible. I'm actually live streaming this as we are, as I speak, so people can see kind of behind the scenes and see how this all comes about, and they can sit and watch me fill in the patterns. I'm going to try to use a little bit of GIMP magic and see if I can't make it a little bit easier on myself. So that's what my plan is. I will be back again tomorrow with making this bracelet. I know it's going to be really hard. There's a lot of zigzag knots in it, but if I'm right, this should actually turn out looking really super cool. So yep, stay tuned, come back here tomorrow, check it out, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.